I've come too far from where I've started from. Yes, 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 Stabile. Hey, okay. Nazo, nje. Morning guys, so namhlanje niyazibonela asipeki outside the kitchen. I'm actually test driving the new Haval H7. Come on a journey, ndinibalisela story sam. Who is Sipho the cooking husband? A guy who comes from Eastern Cape, small town called Mthatha, who just had this passion for cooking and food. Even my friends, I remember Basita, I used to be that guy who's like, I'm in charge of cooking. There's been a lot of judgment, but I think when you're bold and you know what you want in life, yeah, so that's what helped me. I knew what I wanted. I had a supportive wife. Nguye Shemon Pusha to do the whole thing, one motivator. I'm good at this, I must cook. Be bold, follow your dreams, tell your story the way, and I think I like how Haval is doing this whole thing of encouraging Abantu to tell their story. I mean, when you look at this car, guys, from outside, it's bold. It's like, it's in your face. I think how it matches up with my story is also that bold step I took in my career. Is like, you know what, I'm a pharmacist, but I'm gonna follow the cooking career. And I'm gonna call myself Usifo, the cooking husband. Yo guys, I love the fact that Lemoto has like multiple driving modes, so you can actually take it anywhere. But the screen, guys, I mean, come on, look at how big this thing is. And as umuntu othanda music wakhe, this is perfect. All tell your story and be proud of it. The road isn't easy, but it's mine, and I'm writing my own story with the Haval H7.